I know that how important it is to be validated. I get it. But I also know that probably every single one of you here has had an experience where someone has bought something, somebody's been interested in something, somebody wants a commission, and it stops you in your tracks of where you were in your deep process of making your best work in the future. Have that be a day in your studio or a year in your studio. Can everybody sort of agree with that? Do you see where I go with that? And why I'm not saying it because I don't want you out there in the world showing your work, but I do want you out there with your deepest confidence. And how we get there is solitude.